Hello everyone and welcome back to the mathematical mindset. So right here guys, we have this nice math Olympiad algebra problem and we are to find the value of x. So right here guys, the first thing we want to do, we need to note that this is raised to the power of 1, this is raised to the power of 1, this is raised to the power of 1 and this is raised to the power of 1. But if we have a raised to the power of n multiply a raised to the power of n, this is equals to a raised to the power of what? N plus n. So applying this to the numerator, we have this to be x raised to the power of what? 4. Divide. Now we have x plus x plus x plus x is going to give us what? 4x, and this is equals to 16, and this is raised to the power of 1. Also, we want to know that if we have a raised to the power of n, divide a raised to the power of n, this is equals to a raised to the power of n minus n. So we have this to be x raised to the power of what? 4 minus 1, divide 4, and this is equals to what? 16. Next thing we want to do is to simply multiply both sides by what? 4. So multiply both sides by 4. We have this to be x raised to the power of 4 minus 1 is 3, divide what? 4. If you multiply by 4, this is equals to what? 16 multiply what? 4. So this we cancel out this. So we have x raised to the power of 3 is equals to 16 multiply 4 is going to give us what? 64. Rearrange and set to 0. We have x raised to the power of 3 minus 64, and this is equals to what? 0. So we have this to be x raised to the power of 3 minus. Now 4 can be expressed in terms of 64 as 4 raised to the power of 3, and this is equals to 0. So applying this identity that says if we have a raised to the power of 3 minus b raised to the power of 3, this is equals to a minus b multiply a squared plus what? ab plus b squared. Alright, so applying this, we have this to be x minus 4 multiply x squared plus x multiply 4 plus 4 squared, and this is equals to 0. So we have x minus 4 multiply x squared plus x multiply 4 is 4x plus 4 squared is 16, and this is equals to 0. So we have x minus 4 is equals to 0, and we have x squared plus 4x plus 16 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 0 plus 4, and x is equals to 4. So I'm going to call this x1. So solving for this, we have that a is equals to 1, b is equals to 4, and c is equals to 16. So applying quadratic formula, we have that x is equals to minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divide what? 2a. So we have that x is equals to minus, we have b to be 4 plus minus the square root of b square, which is 4 square, minus 4 multiply a, which is 1, multiply c, which is 16, divide 2 multiply a, which is 1. So we have that x is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 4 square is 16, minus 4 multiply 1 multiply 16 is going to give us 64, divide 2 multiply 1 is 2. We have that x is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 16 minus 64 is going to give us minus 48, divide what? 2. So we have that x is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 48 can be expressed as 16 multiply 3 multiply negative 1 divide what? 2. But we note that if we have the square root of a multiply b, this is equal to the square root of a multiply the square root of b. So we have that x is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 16 multiply the square root of 3 multiply the square root of negative 1 divide what? 2. But you want to simply know that the square root of negative 1 is going to give us I. So we have that x is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 16 is 4, multiply the square root of 3, now the square root of negative 1 is I, divide what? 2. So x is equals, if you factor out 2, we have this to be minus 2 plus minus 2 into the square root of 3i divide what? 2. So this we cancel out this, we have that x is equals to minus 2 plus minus 2 into the square root of what? 3i. So we have the other value of x. So here we have that x1 is equals to 4, right? So at this point, we're going to say, therefore, x1 is equals to 4, x2 is equals to minus 2 plus 2 multiply the square root of 3i, and x3 is equals to minus 2 minus 2 the square root of what? 3i. Where we have this to be complex solutions, we have this to be the complex solutions, and we have this to be the what? The real solutions. So we have been able to find the value of x right here in this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. And guys, if you've not yet subscribed to the mathematical mindset, please do to click onto that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.